December 15, 2024, third Sunday of Advent. Focus. Whoever has 2 tunics is to share with him. Who has none, and whoever has food is to do likewise. The solemn exposition of the relics of St. Francis Xavier reminds us that his life was his message. He lived simply serving the sick, the poor, and the needy. John the Baptist also emphasized the importance of simple living, integrity, and sharing, thus preparing the way for the people to accept Jesus. John's call to share resonates deeply all through Advent. For government officials with great authority, his advice, collect no more than you are authorized to do, is particularly relevant. I have seen some colleagues extracting money from staff and the public. It takes great effort and personal example to discourage exploitation of the weak and the needy. It requires more courage to reject inducements from the rich and the powerful. During Advent, we often plan for more. Taller Christmas trees, finer dresses, more expensive wines, and more varieties of sweets and exotic foods, perhaps forgetting those who are lonely and deprived. But Jesus says, do not be anxious, saying, what shall we eat? What shall we drink? Or what shall we wear? A far better way to spend this season would be to give more to those who have less and keep plenty of space for love. For it is in giving what we truly receive. Fruit. Let me share what I have with those who lack.